I'm gonna make $18,000 in just 1 month alone, and I'm on track to make $20,000 this month without having to deal with a product of my own or any sales or any customer outreach or doing like an MLM or anything like that. The best part is that I can do this from the comfort of my own home, and it's 100% profit. Plus, this income just takes a few hours a day adding to my other income stream. What I'm doing is called user-generated content, or UGC. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how I quietly pull in over $15,000 a month and how you can too, even without any experience. And by the end of this video, you'll learn how to put this into action and unlock true freedom. So let's dive into it. First, let's understand what UGC is. It involves getting paid to make short 15 to 60 second selfie video reviews of products for brands. It doesn't involve creating a product or a service. These brands just hire you to make them a video and then you're done. This means you create multiple videos a day and get paid without needing any followers. This business model has been around forever, but with today's technology and social media, it's easier to get into. There's a huge sea change going on in advertising in the digital world. Brands used to have to pay $10,000 to $50,000 for a short amateur commercial, so they're more than willing to pay you $200 to make one in your living room because having real people in their ads work better for them. They want you to look authentic and just use your cell phone to record a video. You save money and you make money if you know how to make good UGC video ads. Note, this is different than just making UGC content on your social media feed, hoping that people buy a product. This is easier and you don't need to sell anything. So here are some examples of UGC. So a 15-second selfie in your car talking about how much you saved on your car insurance. A 60-second video of you unboxing a product and talking about how the features of it work. Or a 30-second selfie video of you reading a script about how fun an game app that you downloaded on your phone is. So many people think that UGC video ads is the same as being an influencer, but it's different. So in the influencer or digital products or affiliate marketing model, you need to have followers who then see your posts and sell something. You're gonna need to have traffic. So you have to work for years to get engagement and followers, and it's like trying to be a rock star or a famous DJ. It's very hard. With UGC video ads, you don't need any followers and you don't need to sell anything. But you do need to know how to make a compelling video for advertisers and brands that make the viewers want to click their ad. This enables you to make up to 10 of these videos a day, profiting over $1,000 in a single day. And I've personally made over $5,200 of UGC videos in just 2 days. I've been quietly building a UGC empire while I help other people to make these videos. Brands want people from all walks of life out there, and there's opportunity for everyone. The best part is you get to make these in your living room, car, or kitchen, and you can do it in your pajamas. I might be wearing my pajamas right now. And the only equipment you need to start is your smartphone camera. For beginners, UGC is a really quick way to monetize your selfies and earn 5 to 10K a month. Future videos, I'll break down other ways to make money online. Now, the essence of online money making is helping people find solutions to their problems. So if you focus on solving problems, your money issues will be solved too. And UGC videos is solving a problem because advertisers need a lot of ads and they need regular people in their ads. And so you're going to be there to help them out and get paid to make those ads. I have 16 years of experience in digital marketing, and I've done and seen it all. And UGC video ads is definitely the fastest and easiest way to start into this billion-dollar industry. $123 billion are spent on digital marketing in 2023 alone. It's also an incredible stepping stone to see the behind the scenes if you want to get into affiliate or agency work down the road. The UGC video ads business model can be broken down into 4 simple steps. There's video, there's editing, there's bookings, and there's monthly retainers or social media account creator. What you're going to make for these brands is you're going to provide their audience with education, entertainment, and information. Video technique is crucial, and you need to take your viewer on a journey from problem to solution and a call to action all in just a few seconds. Editing is where you take out all the dead space in the video and keep them fast-paced and dead with no air. You can also add captions and graphics using free programs for extra money. So I charge an extra $25 for captions that take me 2 minutes to add. Now, bookings is where you maximize your earnings and you make your money. This is possible when you know how to get the brand's attention and show them you know what they want. Very important. Most of your clients are going to be agencies who rebook you very often. The e-com companies and affiliate marketers who need an endless supply of UGC video ads, and then large brands who will pick from experienced and trained UGC creators like me, and maybe you in a few weeks. And now monthly retainers are where you can go into the double 6-figure earnings arena. This is where a brand hires you to create all their social media content every month. This typically pays from $3,500 to $5,000 a month, depending on what is required. You can batch create these videos for them and only work for like 3 days a month if you do it smart. Now let's talk about building your UGC business. It's important to learn how to include human emotions in your UGC video ads to convey how your client's problem is solved by their product and why it's cheaper, faster, or easier than their competitors. Humor or sincerity can be great motivators to use in your video ads. So there are several ways to become monetized in various platforms like TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. Creator areas can all be used to reach your ideal audience and get noticed. There's also a lot of UGC agency spots that have popped up lately like EBOOK. And then there's freelance sites like Upwork and Fiverr. They're also great where brands can find you. But you need to know how to cut through the thousands of other people who also want to make their videos in the living room for money. But don't worry, I'll have another video on my account explaining how to get to the top of the list to make sure that people see you. So make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. It's best to start with the platform that you're most familiar with. So go to your TikTok and Instagram accounts and then scroll through and watch the paid promotions you see that are in your feed. You see the videos where there's a regular person in their bathroom or their living room. Those are the ads that you'll be making. You might not have noticed that there were even ads in the first place because they're in your feed. That's the point of these types of ads. That's why you and I can make them, and you don't need to be a professional model or an actor. In fact, they might work more in your favor if you just look like a regular person. That way you can act natural. You don't have to act at all. So it comes down to this. You're essentially an actor who doesn't need to leave their home. But in all honesty, you'll probably make more money than 98% of trained actors out there. Sorry, trained actors. I also have some programs and tools on how to shoot, lighting and editing that give you the insider secrets that I use to be one of the highest paid UGC creators out there right now. I'm a 50-year-old man. And if I can do it, I think you can do it. And here's another piece of advice that's probably different than other UGC creators are telling you. You don't need to niche down or just do makeup or just do fitness, because in order to make the most money, I take most of the offers that people send me if they're paying me my rate. I average $177 each video I make. Each one takes me about 30 minutes to make, so I make about $300 an hour making me. Knowing how to get bookings is essential, but having an awesome sales video to show brands will really help your chances. It can actually make or break you, so make it good. And SEO on freelance sites is also crucial if you're listing anywhere. Make sure you have the right keywords in there so they can find you. So it took me a few months to go from $0 a month to $20,000 a month using all my methods. And by copying my method and then reproducing it and expanding my reach, I'm earning more and more as time goes on. A lot of people keep rebooking you too. I felt I had to test out if I was able to teach others how to do this, and I was very pleasantly surprised that it did work for them. And I've had people I've taught make 3 times more income and quit their desk jobs in an office to do this full time. And they've also had their spouses do it, and their siblings learn how to do it, and they all do this full time now instead of their old office jobs. It's been incredible. If you want to copy my exact business model and content strategy, click the link below this video. And I hope this video has been super helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.